The patient has the severe spondylosis and frozen shoulder. I take some acupuncture of the shoulder and neck to relieve the muscle pain.
Acupuncture therapy originated from ancient China. As one of the most common treatment methods in traditional Chinese medicine, it has been in existence for more than 2,000 years. It's able to regulate the functions of the internal organ. In particular, it can effectively relieve pain and stiffness in muscles and joints, promotes blood circulation, and restore nerve function. It's quicker than massage, and its effects are more profound and long-lasting.
Hello, how long have you been receiving this kind of a treatment?
Today, it's my 5th treatment.
Okay, how do you feel now?
Now I feel a lot better. Like, I feel I have more mobility. I have flexibility in my neck. I can look further than I used to be able to. Yeah, and I don't have my shoulder pain I don't have my shoulder pain anymore.
What about the first time you came here?
When I came in because I have a lot of neck pain, which also causes headaches, and now I don't have that. Yeah, and I have pain kind of like in my mid back, and I don't feel that pain anymore.
Did you take any medications during this process? I mean, the treatment?
No.
Just this acupuncture?
Yeah.
So what do you think of this kind of therapy? This is your first time to receive this kind of therapy?
Yes, I would recommend it to a lot of people. Whoever is experiencing pain, I would definitely recommend it for them to come and at least try it and see if it works for them.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm Li Wei, traditional Chinese medicine doctor. Now, I'm working in Pohnpei State Hospital in Micronesia. I can perform acupuncture, fire cupping, and massage. I can also give you some advice about how to keep health without taking any medication. I enter the theory of traditional Chinese medicine. If you need any help, don't hesitate to come. I'm waiting for you here.